Hello everybody and welcome to another video where I'm showing you how to get game passes in Please Donate for Roblox. So look here, I have a lot of them. So I'm gonna teach you how you can get them. So first of all, you have to close Roblox and you have to head up to the Roblox main page and choose the option of create. So you are going to get redirected to Creator Hub and you have to pick creations in the left. Now you have to create an experience like this. So I'm not going to do this because I have creations already. You have to pick one of them. I'm going to pick this, for example. And now you have to go ahead, back scrolling down to monetization and pick passes. So when you are on passes, you can create one of them, like create a pass here, and you have to pick a picture. I'm going to pick this picture like this. I'm going to name it Pambi and put a description. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, etc. Create a pass. Excellent. Now you have to pick the pass. Click it. Go to sales, like here, sales, and there you have to put the amount of Robux you want to get for this item. So check this one. I put like 50, for example. Save changes. Excellent. Now I have to go to please donate again. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to start the game right now. Please donate by Hassan. Click it, open Roblox game client. And now when I create my stand, I will get those game passes that I just created right now. So let's check it out. Okay, excellent. Now, as you can see, I created my stand and here it is. And here it is. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you next time. Easy way.